Just type wp.new in your browser and you will get an instant installation of WordPress, just like this one. Here you can test your plugins and themes, and this is with a live domain that you can share with your clients. You can also create different templates on this website and you can sell them. You can install all the required plugins and themes while installing WordPress, and there are many more features that we will be discovering in this video. And the best thing is this is free, so let's find it out. Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's video I'll be talking about InstaWP, and as the name suggests, this is an instant installation of WordPress where you can test out your plugins, you can create a live website for your client, you can create different templates, and you can learn more about this platform by going to the link in the description. And here you can see in the features you can create sites, which is instant WordPress sites within seconds that I just showed you, and we can create templates that we can reuse and we can sell them. And we can configure our installation by adding our favorite plugins and themes that will instantly install while installing WordPress. We have different browser tools, development tools, and we can integrate it by Chrome extension and many more. And here you can scroll down, you can learn more about this platform. Here you can see build and migrate WordPress websites, create staging live websites, set up demo plugins and themes, automate Q&A with Git, manage hosting and live websites, sell templates, and you can also get hosting for your WordPress website here. And these are some testimonials and so on. So if you are a WordPress or a web developer or you have a web agency, then this platform is for you, where you can launch multiple websites, you can share them with clients, you can create your own templates that you can sell and so on. And as I mentioned, this is completely free. So if you go to pricing and scroll down, the first plan here is free. So here you can have 3 active websites. This is 1 GB of disk space. You can have 1 template and your temporary websites will be up to 7 days. This is another plan that you can read about and you can buy the one that you need. So just go to the link in the description and then click on try for free. This will take you to sign up page where you can write your name, email, password, and then just click on sign up, or you can also sign up using your Google. Just click on it, select your Gmail, and that's it. This is how the dashboard look. So here you can manage your websites and you can also create new one by clicking here. And here you can manage your templates that we will cover later on. Then you can go to connects and here you can connect your own domain name. You can go to hosting and you can connect a hosting here. You can connect WP Cloud, Run Cloud, Cloudways, and all these platforms. You can also use this platform for your hosting, okay? And you can go to WAS. And under this you can create different templates that you can sell online on this platform, okay? And this is the menu. Here you can see sites, templates, connects, hosting, and WAS. Now let's start creating a website. So for that you can go to websites, just click on add new, and as I mentioned earlier, there are multiple options that you can choose from. You can install your favorite plugins by one click, and you can select the plugins that you need, you can select the theme you need, and so on. And if you have created any templates, you can access them from here that you can use. And you can also go to store and here you can choose these themes. These are free and you can install them by one click. Let's go back from scratch, and these are the popular plugins, but we don't need them. Here you can see we have 0 theme and 0 plugin selected, okay? And here you can choose the WordPress version. The latest version will be fine. You can also change the PHP version right here, so I'll choose the latest one. This is the server, you can change this, but this is in the pro version only. And here you can write a website name, so let's say this, and you can reserve this website. That will not last, but this is also available in the pro version. And then just click on create site. Okay, the installation failed because of our site name. I added a space there, so let's try again. I'll deselect them, I'll change the version here, and we'll call this, and then we'll click create site. Now within a second this will install WordPress with all the required plugins and the themes that we have selected, okay? And that's it, your new website is ready. This is our website URL, this is our username, and this is the password. The best thing is it also have a database editor, code editor, and view logs. Here you can see this is our website name, this is the time to expire. So as I said, this will last up to 7 days. If you need this website and you want to reserve this, then you will have to upgrade the plan. This is the disk space, and we can also add tags here. And to log into the dashboard, you can click on it, and again to make it reserve. And this is for the templates. You can save this as a template. And if you click here, you will see more actions like the version, PHP configuration. You can migrate this website, You can export this website to local version and you can access all these tools. So you can check all these options based on your needs. I don't want to waste much time here. Let's log into our WordPress dashboard. So I'll go here, we'll click on it. And here I can manage my website, I can test out plugins, I can add themes and so on. So this is a regular WordPress dashboard, okay? Let's create a quick website here. So I'll go to Appearance, Themes. Here I'll add a new one. Let's scroll down and find Blocksy, which is this one. We'll activate it. And then we'll install its companion plugin, which will enable us to import a starter website, okay? So we'll click on it. And then we can choose any of these templates. Let's say I need a restaurant website, so I'll go ahead, we'll click import. And we can also install a shell theme. Next, I'll choose Elementor. And we'll go next and just install it. And that's it. Now let's visit it. And that's it. We got the whole website with the menu, the top bar, call to action, and this is the whole website for restaurant. And now we can go to our dashboard, and here you can see we have our theme, our pages, and Elementor installed. And if I go to media, we have all those images. And now you can share this link with your client. If you are creating this website for a client, he will be able to see it and he can suggest you the changes. And then the best part is you can also create staging websites of this current website, and you can then deploy the changes all at once. And as I was talking about the templates, so you can save this website as your template, and then you can use this template, you can share this template, and you can also sell this template on this platform. One more thing is I can create another website. Let me show you. Now I can select the plugins that I need, and I can also select the theme that I need, okay? So let's say I need this for translation and this is for SEO. Then under forms, I also need this plugin, let's say. And for the page builder, I need Elementor. Then you can just click on create site, and the site created will have all these plugins already installed that you can use. Or you can create a template that you can use on different websites. So let's say you need Blocksy theme or Elementor or any other plugin on different websites. You can create your own template and you can use that as your fresh installation. And to cut things short, this is InstaWP that you can use for instant WordPress installation. So if you are a WordPress developer, a web agency, just follow the link in the description and join this platform, which is absolutely free. And to learn more about WordPress and Elementor, you can visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.